I'm Sky Crystal. I'm culturally confused and creatively liberated. And today I'm doing a Planted Addiction unboxing. This is the first time I've shopped with them, and I'm really impressed with how quickly they shipped it out. And I am super excited, so let's get into it, because these are two wishlist plants that I am so happy to have in my collection now. So let's open it. Where did I put the scissors? There they are, I'm sat on them. Okay. Ooh. Okay, we'll start with this one. Oh wow. So I got myself an Anthurium veitchii, and I think it's the exact same one in the photo. I'm not entirely sure, but this is amazing. This is the cheapest one that I could find, and I'm super impressed with everything. The packaging is great. I am going to get into this one in a minute, but I'm so happy to have this little baby Anthurium veitchii in my collection. So let's open this one, shall we? So this is a Monstera adansonii Indonesian marble, and I am in love. I am in love. No, okay, I'm so excited. I will definitely be buying from them again. I'm super impressed with their selection of plants. It's small and limited, but it's got a really great selection of rare plants, so I would highly recommend them if you're looking for variegated anything, and just like little baby starter plants, because this is, I would say, is a starter plant. I can't wait to get into this. Let me at it. It's rooted already. I'm really happy about that. Oh my goodness, yes. So the Monstera adansonii Indonesian marble was $29.99. and the Anthurium veitchii was $69.99. And I'm so happy with them. So definitely check out Planted Addiction. The link's in the description box below. And thank you very much for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!